Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about one of the interesting topic in logarithms, that is characteristic and Montesa. So while discussing about characteristic and Montesa, so we already know about the basic thing is log 2 to the base 10. So log 2 to the base 10 is, everybody knows that the value of log 2 to the base 10 is 0.3010. Log 2 to the base 10 value is 0.3010. Here means the value of the logarithm must be contained in decimal part. The value of the logarithmic value must be in decimal part. The decimal part must be contains two parts. So before the decimal point, after the decimal point. Here this is a decimal point. This decimal point before one, decimal point after one. So decimal point before one is called as integral part. What we call integral part. Integral part. So decimal point after one is called as, of course, decimal part. Decimal point before one is integral part, decimal point after one is the integral part. So here integral part is also called as characteristic. Integral part is also called as characteristic. And the decimal part is called as Montesa. So here the decimal part is called as Montesa. Here integral part is called as characteristic, right? So for example, so logarithm of 25 to the base 10. Logarithm of 25 to the base 10. Here, if you want to find the characteristic, it is purely depends on the number of digits. So why? Because log 2 to the base 10 we know 0.30410. Log 3 to the base 10 is equal to 0.4771. Here also characteristic is 0 only. So whereas log 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1. Here the characteristic is how much? 1. Nothing but here number of digits will be changing. The characteristic is also going to be changed. Log 4 to the base 10 also 0.6020, like that. See here characteristic is always a single digit number. Whenever we are going to see the single digit number, the characteristic is never changed. Whereas a double digit number, the characteristic is going to be changed. Here changed 1 point, like that. So here characteristic is 2 digits means characteristic is something. Suppose logarithm of 9848 to the base 10. Here the number of digits is 4. Its characteristic is 4 minus 1. Here 4 means, here single digit number means 1 minus 1 0. Here 2 digits means 2 minus 1 1. Here 3 digits means 3 minus 1 2. Here 4 digits means 4 minus 1 3. 3 point something. 3 point something. Right? So here logarithm of 98480 to the base 10. Here characteristic is the number of digits 5. So characteristic is 4 point something. So you can able to find characteristic like that. So whereas Montesa is going to find with the help of logarithmic tables. So this is about characteristic for first thing. For second thing is logarithm of a number. Here number is not a decimal number. This is purely a natural number. Logarithm of a natural number means we are going to get like that. So if it is logarithm of a rational number means nothing but purely a decimal number. The decimal number is also having a decimal point afterwards. Some zeros will be 0007 to the base 10. So logarithm of 0.0000000 to the base 7. Here the decimal point before, decimal point after, and this is called as non-zero significant digit. Non-zero significant digit before. Number of zeros, how many will be? There are 4 zeros. So here characteristic is equal to 4 plus 1 bar. 4 plus 1 bar is equal to 5 bar. Here 5 bar means minus 5. It indicates negative sense. Bar indicates negative sense. Suppose logarithm of 0.01 to the base 10 is equal to, in between decimal point to non-zero significant digit, there will be only one digit. So here characteristic is 1 plus 1 bar, nothing but 2 bar. So here logarithm of 0.005 to the base 10. Here decimal point to non-zero significant, there will be two number of zeros. Here 2 plus 1 bar, nothing but 3 bar. 3 bar. So like that we are going to find about integral part, means characteristic. Sorry. This is about second thing. Next, whereas third thing is logarithm of 53 5 points. Suppose 5.123 to the base 10. Logarithm of 5.123 to the base 10. Here decimal point before compulsory 0. Here decimal point before non-zero number. Here non-zero number means how many numbers, how many digits are there? Only single digit. So its characteristic is equal to only 1 minus 1, nothing but how much? 0. Characteristic is equal to 0. Whereas logarithm of 52.34 to the base 10 is equal to, decimal point before there will be two number of digits. So here the characteristic is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, nothing but 1. So next, logarithm of 573.47 to the base 10 is equal to, decimal point before there will be three number of digits. Here three number of digits, its characteristic is 3 minus 1, nothing but 2. Like that we are going to get about characteristic. So once again, last and final example, logarithm of logarithm of 5678.3 to the base 10. So this one, so we are going to apply direct thing, means here there will be 4 number of digits. 4 number of digits means its characteristic is equal to 4 minus 1, nothing but 3. Characteristic is equal to 3. How we are getting the 3? If I am going to check deeply, see here logarithm of 5678.3 can be written as 3 by 10 to the base 10. 56,783 by 10 to the base 10. So this one can also be written as logarithm of 56,783 to the base 10 minus log 10 to the base 10. So here purely natural number. Here the natural number means number of digits, how many are there? There will be 5 numbers. Here 5 numbers means characteristic is equal to 5 minus 1, 4. 4 point something. Minus, here log 10 to the base 10 means 1. Nothing but your characteristic is going to be subtract 4 minus 1 is equal to how much? Finally the characteristic is 3 point something. 3 point something. So here there will be number of digits, there will be 3. Here number of digits 3 means here number of digits is equal to, so sorry, this is not example. No? So here what is the example? Yeah, right. 5678.3. Here the number of digits is equal to 4. There will be total 4 number of digits. Here 4 number of digits means characteristic is equal to 4 minus 1, 3. Here also 3 cube. So like that we are going to get about characteristic. So there are total 3 things. For finding about characteristic, there will be total 3 things. So if there are number of digits, logarithm of number of digits to the base 10. So if there are a number of digits, its characteristic is equal to n minus 1. So second thing is, so logarithm of number is a decimal, 0.00005 to the base 10. Here the number of zeros between the decimal point and non-zero significant digit, there will be n. The characteristic is equal to n plus 1 bar. About second one. Next third one is logarithm of a decimal number, nothing but here 22.567 to the base 10. Before the decimal point, there will be n number of digits. Before the decimal point, there will be n number of digits. Its characteristic is equal to n minus 1. Characteristic is equal to n minus 1. Suppose sometimes they will give the question like this. The characteristic of a number is equal to 10. The characteristic of a number is equal to 10. Characteristic is equal to 10. So then find the number of digits. Here characteristic formula is what? N minus 1 is equal to 10. Then n is equal to how much? 11. So if your number has how many digits? Number of digits of the logarithm is equal to 11. Like that we can able to find easily. Suppose, so sometime, see one example when we are going to see here, find the number of digits. Find the number of digits in 8 power 25. X is equal to 8 power 25. Find the number of digits. Normally, it is difficult to find about number of digits. 8 power 25 means 25 times of 8 is multiplying is so difficult. But in logarithms, you can say, cannot say exact value, but number of digits of that number easily you can able to say. So, apply log on both sides, log base 10 on both sides. Log x to the base 10 is equal to 25, log a to the base 10. Of course, log a power m log a. So, this is equal to 25 into log 2 to the base 10. Cube. So cube comes to front, that is nothing but 25 into 3 is 75. So 75 into log 2 to the base 10 value 0.3010. So log 75 into 0.3010 value 22.5750. This value is 22.5750. So here log x to the base 10 is equal to 2.5750. We see a characteristic is equal to how much? Characteristic is equal to 22. Your characteristic is 22 means the formula for characteristic is n minus 1 is equal to 22. Then n is equal to how much? 23. The number of digits of x is equal to how much? 23. So we can able to find like that. So this is